I'm here today at Jyoti CNC Automation Limited's booth at the Himtex 2024 event. Here with me today is Mr. Shravanth Panayala, Managing Director of Deepsea Technologies. Sir, could you please explain to our audience what does your company manufacture, which products exactly, and where is your factory located?
Yes, sir. Our company, Deepsea Technologies India Private Limited, basically manufactures components and assemblies mainly for oil and gas industry export orders. Also, we do defense, aerospace, and general engineering products in India also.
So, sir, on your shop floor, do you currently have any Jyoti CNC machineries?
Yes, we have about 21 machines, and our factory is located at GD Matla in Hyderabad presently. And we have been using them since about 2018, since the inception of the company.
Are there any specific models of Jyoti CNC machinery that you have on your shop floor?
Yeah, we have got DX200, DX350, then our 1060 and 1880. So both the CNC turning machines as well as the milling machines of different sizes.
Now, in your opinion, how would you describe the experience of Jyoti CNC machinery in terms of improving your operations?
When we started, it was a very considered decision to go in for Jyoti machines when we started our company in 2018. And I must say that the service of the machines has been very good. We have been able to meet all the quality requirements that are required as we had envisaged. And also, it's very important to say that we have been getting excellent service support from Jyoti here. So generally, there's a very prompt service that is provided to us. Overall, I must say that it has been a very happy experience working with Jyoti.
In the coming years, do you see your company acquiring more Jyoti CNC machinery?
Yeah, we are in the process of expanding our company. We are trying to move to a different location with a larger facility. And as our business requirements increase, yeah, we do see a potential where, as per requirement, we can go in for more Jyoti machines.